Hello, my name is Philip. Welcome to chemistry class notes. So today, without wasting much time, we're going to be looking at waec, chemistry, 2023 article question on the qualitative analysis or SWOT analysis. So from the specimen given, I was able to draw up this question for your revision. This is not to say this is the exact question that you see, but just for you to have an idea of what you might be facing that day. That's the SWOT analysis part. All right, the specimen was zinc oxide and glucose. So let's look at these questions. So yeah, as you can see, C is representing glucose, while D is representing zinc oxide. So I said C plus distilled water plus T. That means it can be, the normal way. They'll say, take a quantity of C, put in a test tube, add a certain amount of distilled water, and stir, right? But I'm just saying C plus distilled water and stir. When you do that, it is expected to dissolve. Having in mind is glucose, right? So it is expected to dissolve. And when it does that, it will form a colorless solution. So the difference, as you can see, is that C is soluble. Then when you test with litmus paper, it has no effect on litmus paper. That means either blue or red litmus paper remains the same when you dip it into this solution. And the difference is that it is neutral. Then I'm saying first portion plus filling solution plus 1. What I mean by first portion is that this particular solution, I divided into two parts. I'm going to test both first and second portion. That's how I use the word first portion of this now. When you add filling solution, then you warm it. The observation is that a brick red precipitate will be formed, and the inference is that reducing sugar present. Of course, these are characteristics of glucose, which is a reducing sugar. Then I'm saying because in the part of the specimen given, the chemicals given, this compound was there, this oxidizing agent, potassium epithalosol dichromate 6 or potassium chromate. That's why I decided to add this test. So I'm saying second portion plus acidified potassium epithalosol dichromate 6. Remember, this is an oxidizing agent. So when it is added, the color is expected to change. The orange color of this potassium dichromate 6 is also change from orange to green. So the difference is that C is a reducing sugar. So I said e.g. glucose. And you should take note that the reason why glucose is having this kind of reaction is because of this functional group that is making glucose to behave this way, because it is using sugar. This is an alkaline functional group. This is the group responsible for this type of reactions. That's why it's a reducing sugar. So take note. This is the alkaline group that makes it to react or behave in a certain way in these two reactions. Okay, so the remaining part, so this part is now for zinc oxide. So I said D is representing zinc oxide plus heat. So when you do that, the observation is that it turns yellow when hot and white when cold. So it is only zinc oxide that behave like this. So without wasting much time, the inference here is that zinc oxide present. Then the next one, of course, a portion of D will also reacting with dilute HCl. Of course, yes, zinc oxide is supposed to, it reacts with acid, but if it's water, it's not soluble in water. So I said it dissolves, forming a colorless solution. So the reference is that it is soluble. And apart from that, the ions likely present will be calcium, zinc, or aluminum ion that can, dissolve in acid. So yeah, dividing this particular solution into two portions. I'm saying the first portion from here plus sodium hydroxide in drops plus SS. Of course, when that happens, your observation is that a white gelatinous precipitate will be formed that will dissolve in SS. So the inference will be aluminum or zinc ions present. Then the last part, second portion plus aqueous ammonia in drops plus in SS. So your observation here is still the same thing. White gelatinous precipitate formed, which will dissolve in SS. So here we cannot confirm zinc, 2 ions. So that's the end of this short video. Hope this will help you out in your qualitative analysis or SWOT analysis. So if you enjoyed the video, you can leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.